Alright, so I'm going to do a video here about Xeto LED lights. They've been pretty good to me, and I've been slacking on the videos, and I'm a man of my word, so I will do the video for them. They've given me multiple LED lights. They give me these here. They're 9006 LED bulbs for an F2002 or 3 F150, and they give me lights for that. They give me lights for that, and I'll show you. They're pretty decent lights. I would the bulbs that were in there, these are like 100 times better. So see way more, especially you see the deer that are on the side of the road. Before, you wouldn't barely see them with the ones that were in it. Now in this, they gave me these LED lights for the dash. They replaced the N194 or 94, I can't remember. I'll put it in the description. And these LED tail light and park lights with their switchback, and they're way brighter. So you don't gotta be adding any relay or whatever or a flasher for them to work. They work on the flasher that came in this truck. So I'll go inside my shed here, and I'll show you some of the lights they give me. Also, I may be doing a giveaway for Xeto. I believe it's a set of headlights you can win, and they're pretty decent, like I said. So I will, if I do that, I will do a video on it and tell you how you can win, and so on and so forth. So yeah, they work good. So these here are those they replaced that 194 bulb, the dash lights in my 68 Chevy. They work really good, as you can see. So they can come in a pack of 10, I believe. I used them all too. And these were the switchback park and tail lights for that 68 that don't require you to change the flasher or add anything. They replaced the 1157 bulb, and they gave me plenty of stuff, plenty of lights. Like these here are, I think these go on that train. These were the old ones, but anyways, they packaged them nice. Let's see. And these are new yet. These are 9006. These are in the F150 2002 F150. See all their package? It's pretty decent. So, I mean, they've been good to me, like I said, in their products. I wouldn't do a video on it if they weren't any good, because I would, but I would tell you they're not good. So anyways, they didn't ask me to do this video, but you know, they did me good, so I'm gonna stand by my word and do what I said I was gonna do. So there you go. Appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share if you would, See you on the next one.